Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is just an easy fix. So we are replacing toilet seat cover. That's what we are replacing. So the first thing you want to do, I just want to, before I move on, if you are joining or watching for the first time, please do not forget to like, share, and also comment, as well as subscribe in case I have new things that I post, new techniques like this, just simple home stuff. You will get an update. So here is just as simple as 1 + 1 = 2. So here you go. So first thing first, go to the back. You see the two buttons on the seat cover, either this and this. There is a way to get this open. Get a flat screwdriver or something flat this way to pop it out, open. Pop it, pop this, open. Now, you can see that the same flat screwdriver can go in here on the nut head and this. When you grab it, then use your other end to unlock the two buttons under it. So I don't know if my camera can get there. There is something under, there is a nut under it this side. Let me get a good diagonal shot here. Can you see? All right, so it's right here. So all you have to do is to get your hand, your other hand under it while you hold it. You hold the head with a screwdriver. You hold the head with a screwdriver and just loose it. So in that way, you are able to loosen the nut, the bolt and the nut. So then that takes this off. This is already finished cover. So when you take them, you take the nut off. So whichever one you buy, is possible you have a brand new ones that comes. So it's going to be like this. So you have so this one has brand new ones that came with it, but the other one I removed is this. Yes, look at it. So this is the one at the top, and this is the one at the bottom where you use your other hand. You just twist them, loosen them out, hold them and just loosen them out. And so when you take it out that way, the same way you take it out, the same way you put the new one. Take the nuts, take them out, then replace the nut, put it back in there with the new one, and use your hand under it to grip it, and also turn to tighten the bolt, both of them, the bolt and the nut. And boom, you have a nice, well-made seat cover. You can see this is still brand new. You can still see the paper. So I just want you to see this quick one, and it's easy, and you don't have to call any plumber to help you save your money, save your head. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, comment, as well as subscribe to my channel for any new video. Thank you. Bye.